Want richer sound, smarter noise control, and all-day comfort in one pair of earbuds? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're checking out the Soundcore V20i Open Ear Earbuds, featuring powerful sound, a comfortable open ear design, and reliable battery life for everyday listening. With a secure earhook fit, app customization, and stable Bluetooth connectivity, they're built for music, calls, and daily convenience. Plus, clear call performance and awareness-friendly listening add extra versatility. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Soundcore V20i Open Ear Earbuds, charging case, USB Type-C to USB-A charging cable, user manual and quick start guide. Product features. Built with an open ear structure, these earbuds rest outside the ear canal instead of sealing it, reducing pressure and improving long-term comfort. The lightweight frame and secure ear hooks keep them stable during movement, making them ideal for workouts, commuting, and outdoor activities while still letting you stay aware of your surroundings. They deliver a well-tuned audio profile with clear vocals, smooth mids, and a solid bass response. The sound is designed to feel natural and open, ensuring music, podcasts, and calls remain clear and enjoyable without overwhelming distortion, even at higher volumes. Through app-based controls, users can personalize their listening experience with adjustable equalizer settings and preset sound modes. This allows you to fine-tune audio based on preference, whether you want deeper bass, clearer vocals, or a more balanced output for different types of content. Designed for extended use, they offer long playback time on a single charge along with quick recharge support. The charging case extends total usage significantly, making them reliable for full-day use, travel, and busy schedules without frequent charging interruptions. Technical specifications. How to wear. Start by setting the ear hooks to level 4 for initial fitting. Gently place the earbuds over your ears and hook them onto the upper edge. The design allows adjustment across multiple levels, so you can change the ear hook position to match your ear size for better comfort and fit. Fine-tune the ear hooks between the available levels until you find the most stable and comfortable position. A proper fit ensures better sound delivery, stability during movement, and reduces the chance of slipping during activities like running or workouts. Once worn, gently shake your head or nod to confirm the earbuds are securely fixed in place. If they move or feel loose, readjust the ear hooks until they feel firm but comfortable for long-term use. If you wear glasses, put them on first before wearing the earbuds. Then position the ear hooks so they sit outside the glasses' temples, ensuring the glasses are closer to your head than the ear hooks. This prevents pressure and ensures both devices sit comfortably together. How to pair? Start by downloading the Soundcore app from the App Store or Google Play. This app unlocks extra features like EQ presets, touch control customization, and additional settings to personalize your listening experience with the Soundcore wireless earbuds. Take the earbuds out of the charging case, and they will automatically enter pairing mode. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone, search for your device in the available devices list, and select it to connect. The earbuds will then be successfully linked to your device. Once connected, open the app to confirm pairing if prompted. From there, you can adjust sound settings, choose EQ presets, and customize touch controls based on your preference. After setup, your earbuds are fully ready for music, calls, and everyday use. How to charge. To charge your earbuds, plug the USB Type-C cable into the charging port located on the bottom of the case. Connect the other end to a power source, such as a wall adapter, laptop, or power bank. Once connected, the LED indicator on the case will light up to show that charging has started. Keep the case on a stable surface while charging and allow it to fully charge for maximum battery performance. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use approved chargers. Keep them dry. Clean gently. Use safe listening levels. Store properly. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.